Hello guys, good evening and welcome back to our channel. Miss Aina is back and I hope you're all doing good, mga lods. For today's video, we will be doing to watch and react to the channel of My Adli. Yan. So, siya mismo yung nag-video at nag-upload sa kanyang channel ng Mission Souls. So, Mission Souls is now in the Cavite. So, live concert nila to. So, for that, let's get in and sana masamahan nyo until the end of this my reaction video. Thank you. Yes, guys. December 4 na agad. Grabe, palakpakan at sigawan ng mga tao. Parang nagsiselebrate na sila ng December 25. Yan, ang galing, ang ganda. Kahit malayo lang si kuya na nagbibideo, ramdam mo talaga yung emosyon, yung saya, yung vibe. Ang galing, ang ganda ng vibe, Diyos ko. And parang Christmas na talaga, no? Sa Pinas, yes. Pero sa atin, ang mga OFW, wala, hindi uso sa atin ng Christmas. But anyway, thank you so much and advance Merry Christmas to all. Merry Christmas to all of you guys and mag-iingat po kayo palagi and God bless.